I'm Nick Stainsby, and today we're going to go over how to quote your house for window cleaning. A window pane is a piece of glass uninterrupted by a frame. In this example, we have 2 panes that are cleaned on the left, 2 in the middle that are in the process of being cleaned, and 2 dirty panes on the right, for a total of 6 window panes. You can see that it looks like this window is cut up into detail panes. But if you run your finger over the cross, the frame is actually in between the glass. You will also notice that the bottom right-hand window screen has been removed by the homeowner prior to the service. This is required for our basic package, which includes exterior windows and frames cleaned. In the next example here, it kind of looks like the windows are cut up again, but this is in between the glass once again. On the top level, we have 6 panes, middle level we have 6 panes, and in the basement there's another 6, totaling 18 window panes. Now that you know how to count the panes, the next step is to choose the package that best suits you. Our premium package includes exterior windows and frames, interior windows and ledges, and the screens are also included. And if you're feeling a little luxurious today, we got the package for you. Everything I've just stated, including the window tracks. Just a side note, if the window tracks haven't been cleaned in a very long time, there will be an additional charge. We are doing maintenance cleans, so we're maintaining the property. If it is something more like a restoration deep clean, we will be charging extra. I did want to mention that deck gloss can be added on. It is not included in any of the packages, but we are happy to do that at an additional cost. Some quick things to mention: oversized panes will be counted as 2, and water soluble debris only. That means no stucco, paint, hard water, or silicone removal. So now you're probably thinking, dang, what else do these guys do? We do commercial windows, gutter cleaning, Christmas lights, snow removal, pressure washing, and we even repair ripped screens. I wanted to make this video as brief as possible, so if you do have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm Nick Stainsby, 403-278-3393.